Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another Airsoft and Airgun vlogging. So ngayon ang ating i-unbox and re-review is the Western Cowboy Revolver, CO2 powered revolver, Airsoft revolver by Legends. This is Umarex brand, officially licensed by Legends. Okay, so this is an Airsoft revolver. By the way, shout out po kay Sir Joey. Okay. So, ito siya guys, yung revolver, and this is the box. This is the model, Western Cowboy. This is Airsoft pistol, CO2 powered, Umarex brand. And that's Umarex. Okay. Legends, Western Cowboy. This is color nickel. Okay. So, this is Airsoft pistol. Yes, that's the box. Okay. So, this is 5.95mm in diameter yung kanyang bala. And, pwede siyang steel ball or plastic ball. So, this is the steel ball. And, this is the plastic ball. So, you can use plastic ball or steel ball. Later on, itetesting natin. Okay, it comes with the instruction manual. Yan, ito siya. Yung nickel pearl. Yan, meron din kasi siyang blued and antique finish na color. Okay. So, this is the instruction manual. This is the maintenance manual, safety instruction and maintenance manual, and yung safety precautions. Nga lang ba yung language niya. Okay? So, this is the unit. This is single action revolver, 6 inches barrel. CO2 powered revolver. So, it's a single action. And then, ito yung kanyang shell. Very classic. Yan. So, this is 6 shots. Pag release and load ng shell, ganun po. Sa Western Cowboy model, 6 shots rotary revolver. And very smooth yung kanyang trigger because it's a single action revolver. Okay? Now, it comes with free CO2, 5 pieces na CO2, and also comes with 0.25 shots, 3,000 shots plastic BBs, and also comes with 100 shots steel ball. Okay, in the package. And also comes with free SRC CO2 revolver shells. This is 6 pieces shells. This one, ito po yung ginagamit natin para sa steel ball. Okay? So, later on, maglo-load tayo ng plastic ball and steel ball for these two kinds of shells. Okay? And then, ito yung grip cover with the markings of Cowboy, the spirit of Legends, Sheriff. Yan. Sa kabila ganun din. Okay. And then, yung kanyang CO2 dito sa ilalim. You just need to open up the cover. Then, nandito na yung kanyang allen. Yan. So, wala na siyang separate na allen. Nandito na siya sa grip cover. And then, of course, it comes with free silicone oil. Okay, load natin ng CO2. Here's the CO2. Comes with 5 pieces. And then, ayan yung allen. Para mag-fit lang yung CO2. We need to adjust. And then, kailangan natin i-tighten up. Pigilan natin yung CO2 para hindi umikot. And kailangan mabilis yung pihit. Okay. Yan. And then, babalik natin yung cover. Okay, so try natin kung nabutas na ba yung CO2. Yun. Very smooth yung trigger niya. Napakalambot. Kapag binaba mo yung hammer. Yan. Very smooth yung trigger at hindi siya malalim. Mababaw lang because it's a single action. Yan. Sarap niya gamitin. And then, pag maglo-load ka, kailangan mo lang siyang i-half cock para maikot yung kanyang rotary, kanyang cylinder. Then, load tayo ng shell. Okay, so now, we're using the SRC Titan. So, may kasama na siyang 6 pieces. So, ito yung steel ball. Dito natin siya ilo-load. Yan. So, load lang natin ng 6 pieces. 6 shots, steel ball. And then, ito naman yung isang shell. You can also use steel ball on this shell. Pero, pwede rin siyang plastic ball. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang plastic ball. You can also use the steel ball. Kasi fit lang naman din siya. Ayan. Okay. So, testing. Load natin. First, yung SRC. So, sa pag-load, half cock mo lang siya para maikot mo yung rotary. Kasi hindi ito ma-open eh. Hindi katulad ng ibang model na natatanggal siya. No, isa-isa siya. Yan. Tapos, ang ikot niyan is clockwise. Yan. Very cowboy style. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Yan. Maganda siya pang display. Then, lock mo lang. Okay? So, you can tawag nito, pwede mo siyang i-decock by dahan-dahan lang na alalay sa trigger and hammer. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-decock. Okay? So, testing natin using the steel ball. And then, after that, test naman natin yung isang shell. Yung nilagyan natin ng plastic ball. Okay? Okay, testing Western Cowboy Single Action Revolver by Umarex. Okay, this is single action. So you need to cock the hammer every time you shot. Firing! Okay, and then, meron pala siyang safety dito sa ilalim na. And that's safe. So, hindi mo siya makakak. Okay. And then, yung barrel niya is metal. This is metal barrel. Ayan, as you can see, it's a metal barrel. Okay. Firing! Firing! Okay. And then, load natin yung plastic shell na may load na plastic BBs. I mean, steel shell na may load na plastic BBs. Okay, ito yung pang second set na shell. Firing! Okay. So again, this is the Western Cowboy CO2 powered airsoft revolver by Umarex.